Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to call someone on Messenger. The first thing you do is open up your Messenger app. Once you've done this, you go to the person you want to call. Let's say I want to call this particular person. Then at the top here you have options here. The top right here you have the option for calling, audio call, video call. Now let's say I want to make an audio call. I tap on the audio call, which is what I did now. I tap on the audio call. Now allow Messenger access to your microphone to make this call. See if you've not done this before. If you haven't allowed access, tap on allow. Then you choose when. Let's say I want only this time. And then give it a few seconds and just calling. Now you want to switch to video, simply tap on this. So now you have to give permission for Messenger to take pictures and record video. So now it's going to be a video call. If you don't want this, you can simply change the camera angle. You want it to backwards by tapping on this and to take the camera angle to the back. So if you don't want that, you can simply tap on turning back to the front and you can end the call. It's as simple as that. Now if it's a video call you want to make, you tap on the video call icon here directly and it automatically switch to video call. You can also add people when you make calls. You can do it like here, you tap on this, you add effects like background, you can see I'm adding effects. You can see the effects. You can also, just for under for me, you can also go pick background over here. The first time I did was effects, now I'm picking background. So you tap on the background you want. Didn't answer, unfortunately. So since the person is online, but I believe yours should be before you made the call. So that is how to make calls on Messenger. Call someone Messenger. You can call someone through audio call or through video call. Depends on you. Hope you find the video helpful.